Watch. Can you spot a dumbass bitch?
I love you.
Rowdy, I got bad news for you. Robert's eat your food.
What did you bring in from outside, huh? Is it a stick? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a stick. Yes, it is.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
You wanna go swim and catch a fish? That'd be fun, right?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Bye-bye. Just go back to sleep. Thank you.
Girlfriend's ugly. Sorry.
Are you sad? No.